Don't go anywhere. Come with me on a journey. Allow me to take you back to the 6th century BC, to the magnificent city of ancient Babylon. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Princess Amis of Medea, the wife of King Nebuchadnezzar. Now, many know my husband as the king that has had strange dreams. But today I want to talk to you about something that happened with 3 Jewish gentlemen who oversaw things in the province of Babylon. Now, my husband was a very vain man, a very strong man, a very evil man, a man who loved to kill people. That was part of his power. He built a 60 cubic high gold statue of himself for everyone to bow and worship him. Well, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego would not bow and worship his golden image. My husband was furious with them. He told these 3 men, "You worship me and you bow to my golden image, or I will throw you in the furnace and you will burn to death." And they told my husband, "Oh, you throw us in the furnace, but we will never worship you and we will never bow to your golden image, because our God will deliver us out of the fire. And even if he doesn't, we will not worship you." Oh, my husband was mad. He had his men turn that furnace up just as high as it'll go. And when it could get no higher, off went the 3 men. But the oddest thing happened. The guards disintegrated before they could even get them into the furnace. And as we looked at that fire, I could have sworn I saw 4 men walking in that fire. Nonsense. No one could be in that heat. And there were 3 men, not 4. How could that be? All right, well, let me tell you how that can be. They told Nebuchadnezzar that their God is strong enough to deliver them from a fiery furnace. And they had faith and they had courage. But what happened? God didn't take them out of the fire. God went into the fire with those 3 men. And he walked around that fire with those 3 men. And he delivered them out of the fire. Have you been in the fire? Are you in the fire? Trust God. He'll be there with you. And he'll deliver you from the fire. God bless you.